Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add clouds in Snapseed. If you are new to Snapseed and you don't know how to add clouds in Snapseed, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, launch the Snapseed app. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to add clouds to. For now, I'll choose this one. Here, to add the clouds, click on Tools. And if you scroll a bit, you'll see an option called Double Exposure. Click on it. Now, click here to choose the clouds from your gallery. I have already downloaded the PNG format of the cloud, so you can also do that. Simply click on the cloud that you want to use. And as you can see, I have added the cloud. Once you're happy with the cloud, click here to save changes. Similarly, you can repeat the process to make the clouds more better. Click on Tools, Double Exposure, click here, and again, choose the cloud. And once you're happy with the photo, click here to save changes. And just like that, we can add clouds in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.